अस्सलाम गाइस, आज हम मौजूद हैं KGF स्कूल में और यहाँ पे एक बहुत शानदार इवेंट हो रहा है और यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं, आपको दिखाते हैं और हमारी वीडियो में आप देखिएगा यहाँ पे कौन कौन से स्टॉल हैं और बच्चों के लिए भी बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं और बहुत सारे गेम्स हैं, आपको दिखाते हैं हमारी इस वीडियो में।
If you are sick of your kids, which I believe you very much are, put them in jail. We'll give you extra discounts. We'll put your kids in jail for free. A pool to put Mr. Lander in jail has begun. So please go to the jail, pull your cash in. It'll be worth it. Jazim, Makta and Hadi, how are you feeling? Mr. Nail, how are you feeling?
Alhamdulillah, what an event, what a day.
Why did you have your own stall with your perfumes?
Budget nahi tha.
हमारे साथ हैं और GS के ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ वो इवेंट के हवाले से कुछ बताना है। जिस तरीके से हवाले से इवेंट हुआ है और क्या आप क्या बताएंगे इस बारे में?
जी आमिर भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं?
वालेकुम सलाम।
और बस आमिर भाई बेसिकली आज जो है वो कराची ग्रामर स्कूल और ओल्ड ग्रामेरियन सोसाइटी जो यहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट्स रहे हैं, जो करंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं और जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे जैसे, उनके लिए एक कार्निवल लगा हुआ है। ये कार्निवल जो है 5-6 साल पहले ख़त्म हो गया था क्योंकि कोविड से पहले, लेकिन ये 5-6 साल के बाद इसने री एंट्री की है। तो बेसिकली ये मेला है, कार्निवल है और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं, खाने पीने के स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं, डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ वेंडर्स हैं। हमने बजिंग बीज का स्टॉल लगाया हुआ है जहाँ पे बच्चे जो हैं वो आके खेल रहे हैं और इंगेज हैं वाइल द पेरेंट्स गो एंड हैव अ गुड टाइम इन द स्टॉल्स। तो बहुत सारे मज़ेदार चीज़ें हैं और शाम में कॉन्सर्ट भी है, तो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ फन और बिल्कुल चक्कर लगाएगा और इंशाल्लाह हैव अ लवली डे। और आमिर भाई से मिलने से का मौका मिला और उनसे नमाज़ पढ़ने का मौका मिला, सबसे जज़ाकल्लाह। सबसे अच्छी बात ये है इसकी।
थैंक यू सर, बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया।
And enjoy, bring all the kids around and have a great time at the retro fair.
I still can't believe I went to the igloo. Okay, and now let's go somewhere else. Thank you so much, this was fun. Oh, and we got some exciting news. Both the head girls are doing sumo wrestling and Hana is out. How do you feel, Hana? Relief and also extreme.
ये देखें इवेंट है, आज KGF स्कूल में हम आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त इवेंट हो रहा है, मुख्तलिफ स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं। ये देखें, माशाल्लाह ये मुख्तलिफ स्टॉल है, नेशनल वालों का है और यो ब्लू बैंड और बहुत सारे देख सकते हैं। क्लॉथ वगैरह भी हैं यहाँ पे, लेडीज सूट एंड मर्दाना सूट भी यहाँ पे हैं। ये इसकी एंट्रेंस है।
Hello. Hi guys, it's Ayan and we're hosting you for now.
So guys, just a quick reminder, the coupons table is at the back and make sure you visit all the stalls. And I hope you guys know that you can pay and put people in here and they will have to pay to get that out. So make sure you spend in pay.
And guys, you already don't know, you can pay to get the head dancer, you can pay to get the head of college in jail, Miss Alna, Lander, Ahad, Sadia. It's really cool, just pay and get them in jail. It's gonna be a lot of fun, we promise. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling great, I'm so excited and I think it's turned out so well and I think it's not coming in right now, so it's about to get a lot more.
Yeah. We're gonna get started with introducing the stalls. Really excited as well. So keep tuning in guys and don't forget to buy vouchers for the haunted house and the jail as well.
देखिए चादरें, मुख्तलिफ किस्म की बैग्स वगैरह हैं।
Hey guys, so we're on our way to the conservation science. They have merch and hoodies.
Really excited, guys. That's right now.
Hey Miss, so you want to tell us what you have here? We have
ये मुख्तलिफ ज्वेलरी वगैरह हैं यहाँ पे।
There's a lot going on over here, lots of fun stuff. You should all make bracelets and give them to your friends.
Look guys,
And come
anybody
paint
wants to
pots
get me
and
earrings? I know from where.
You gotta wait with us.
Guys, once more, the coupons table is at the back.
Hi guys, so the coupons are available in the back. If you guys want to do any of the student-led activities in the stalls, you will have to buy coupons for 100 rupees each. Prices vary from 100 to 400. Thank you.
Come to the helper stall now.
Come to the helper stall for merch, come to the conservation to paint pots, to make friendship bracelets, and to paint block printed bags.
Hey guys, it's Hannah and Ayan, Vlad and the helpers at OGS Department. And they were going to be interviewing every single one of the society stalls. And it's very important to know that they're opening up sumo wrestling right now. So make sure you make your way there. Another reminder, the coupon table is at the back, and in order to purchase from any society stall, you will need to get coupon, one coupon per
देखिए
100.
माशाल्लाह मुख्तलिफ तरह की
So
पेंटिंग
we're
वगैरह
at
हैं।
the conservation and helper society stall right now. As you can see, there's a ton of bracelet going on, as well as bottles in the back. And to keep it environmentally friendly, you can also drop paint customers in the back. It's really excited.
Thank you.
Guys should all come and check it out. Come on, make the pension. Okay, moving on, we're going to move towards the merchandise. There's tons of hoodies, as you can see, for every house, of course. And here we have the stuff you have about it. Tell us all about it. We have
गेमिंग जोन है बच्चों का, ये देखें तैयार हो रहा है।
TGS, the middle section.
भाई बैठे।
We have the mugs, so every time you drink your chai, you can TGS. We have hoodies because it's winter. Hands up, hands up. Oh my god, buy the hoodie! There's sumo suit wrestling. Do that, it's so much fun. Okay guys, so that's about it for this corner. Once again, if you want to purchase any of the merchandise, whoever wants to
Come buy your hoodies now. Best quality hoodies you'll ever find in all of Karachi, I swear.
guys, now the next stall, which is absolutely amazing.
So we have the pavilion, our own Chariot Bali. Okay, how are you feeling, bro? I got your name wrong. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah. So our stall is basically about how you can, experience the virtual reality and then think. It's very
ये लाइफ बॉय का स्टॉल लगा हुआ है, ये देखिए।
You should definitely try.
Hey guys, drop by and Tayyab has to say something.
Yeah, hi. So I just say that I was just going to say that I've tried this VR experience and I found it very entertaining, very fun, and it's just like playing normally, except you can see different speeds of the ball, how the ball is coming.
This is the coolest thing in the corner right now. You guys should definitely check out the pavilion. Guys, you want to say anything else? What do you want to say to the people who still come to your store?
Try it out once, and if you like it, you can come again. If you don't, there's no problem. If you like it,
Okay, that sounds very interesting. Guys, don't forget to check out the pavilion. And now Hannah is going to give you a tour of the next stall.
Okay, so guys, we are at the First Aid Society stall right now. As you can see, there's tons of activities such as basketball, ring toss, and Miss, if you don't mind, you want to give us this insight? A lot of fun games. We've got ring toss, basketball, some games, and prizes. We've got lots of prizes to win. Hey guys, come on, that's all the incentive. Another important thing, if you want to be able to purchase from any of the society stores, you have to get your coupons from the back.
Excuse me, ma'am, jagah don't mind.
Okay. Okay guys, please go to the sumo wrestling match. It's happening right now. Go check it out. It's a lot of fun. Okay, let's go guys. Okay. We're gonna go and hop in right now. We're hoping to see you guys there as well. Oh, Nile, what's up?
If you could Lauren, when will it be over?
Oh, sorry.
Quick pit stop, guys. Do not miss the jail. This is your golden opportunity to put anyone in there. Okay, off to the sumo wrestling match. Do you have any wise words? What do you think of the match?
वीडियो बना लूं?
I think Bobo
वीडियो बना लो?
I'll be really bad.
Hey guys, here we are. Here we are.
नहीं? Oh, sorry.
How is your experience been?
Very good. We're watching a very entertaining super wrestling match.
Guys, make sure you tune in and maybe you could be there next. Zoya, non, any wise words? I'm like mildly concerned about the sumo wrestling, but guys, just speechless. Absolutely speechless. I think that's enough incentive for you to make your way here.
Okay, so we're starting with the match. We have Raza Salman fighting, getting excited. What are your wise words for these guys?
I would say good luck, and if Raza Salman loses, he's off.
Go Raza Salman! You have to win. Okay, it's starting. Asad versus Raza Salman. Okay. Excited. Noor, how do you feel? What are your thoughts on the sumo wrestling match?
I think it's absolutely hilarious, and everyone should come see.
Bro, the match got started. Hana, what do you have to say?
I think Raza really wants to secure his spot on the Luman team because he's at it.
He's literally at it. Okay, both of them are fighting. Let's see who wins. It's a tough fight.
That's kind of gay.
Okay, it's round 2, I think. What is happening? Round 3. Okay, it's round 3. It's a tough fight. Okay. These guys are fighting for their lives. Oh. Wow, going again for the win. Raza Salman, it doesn't look like you're getting on the team again. Lock in.
Guys, it's looking intense.
Raza is out. Raza is done. Let's ask him how he feels. How do you feel, Raza? How do you feel?
Sumo wrestling is the best experience of my life, and congratulations to Asad Rashid for cheating his way to the win.
Whoa, that is a major accusation. What do you have to say, Asad?
I love sumo wrestling, Raza.
Okay, that was really fun, guys. If you haven't checked out the sumo wrestling stall already, please check it out. And now over to Hana.
Okay guys, we have yet another exciting stall to visit, and that is the Atlas Slip Inside and Mini Golf. Once again, in order to purchase from these stalls, you have to get coupons which are at the back. 100 rupees per coupon. So here we are.
ओके मैं एडिट कर दूंगा, सॉरी सर कंटिन्यूटी।
What's up, guys? Please come to the Atlas stall. We have slip and slide football. It's the
वैसे
most
चेहरा
fun
चेहरा नहीं आया,
experience
बच्चे
you
ने
can
कैप
get
लगाया हुआ था।
over. It's 40 by 70 feet, so it's big. But please show up. There's mini golf as well. All the golfers, please come. All the uncles as well.
Come to slip and slide.
Guys, come on. That's easier than after. Can't say no to that.
Atlas has zero sales in the last
Video bana lo?
hour. Zero. And they still can't do anything.
Alice has 50 million sales.
Guys, believe what you want. Okay guys, so I have an interesting announcement to make. 2 people are to be in jail right now, and that is Zoya Anan Khan and Shanzi Shah.
Find them if you can. We need to get them in jail ASAP, guys.
Bounty of $10,000, so make sure you get them.
Or $100,000. Okay, where are these guys? Have you guys found Shanzi and
We're looking.
Have you found Shanzi and
Me and the boss, Mr. Police said we're looking for Shanzi. Please find him.
Okay guys, in you go, Zoya. How does it feel to be the first person in the jail? Do you want to see? Every single person who put me in jail, I swear I'm coming for you. I will put you in jail, man. Guys, that's a threat. Keep it in mind. I mean, stay safe out there.
Zoya sounds really angry. Zoya, what is your escape plan? What is your escape plan?
I can't share my escape plan because that defeats the purpose, but I shall escape.
Oh, Shanzi is in the jail. Okay, Shanzi, how do you feel? What do you have to say to all the people who put you in jail?
I'm doing this community a service by being here and being locked in this jail is not just unfair, it's actually a violation of human rights and a violation of my rights.
Okay, Inner Man was just being channeled. I think Parissa Abbas is currently on the run